this week on What's Cooking with Carolina Cooker. For recipes, visit carolinacooker.com.
Hey y'all, this is Joe Johnson from Smokin Joe's Barbecue out of Willow Spring, North Carolina. We're going to be cooking some St. Louis style ribs today on the Carolina Cooker pig cooker. All right, with any good piece of meat, you have to have a good rub, and a good rub consists of paprika, garlic salt, chili powder, and brown sugar. After we make the rub, we're going to remove the membrane from the back of the rib. And the reason we do that is so the rub can penetrate the meat on both sides. All right, what we're going to do next is we're going to rub the back, the front, and the sides. The reason you want to do that, you want to get the most out of your rub and your seasonings and your flavors. And we'll do the top side. There you have it, a perfectly seasoned St. Louis style rib. Since we rubbed our rib and let it rest, we're going to put it on the Carolina Cooker pig cooker for 225 for a total of 4 hours. What we do is called the 2-1-1 method. We smoke it, we're going to grill it for 2 hours, wrap it in foil for 1, then we grill it for another hour before we sauce it and serve it. We'll let it go for 225 for 2 hours, then we'll wrap it for an hour, then we'll smoke it for another hour. Okay, we've had our ribs on the grill for 2 hours. We take them off and we wrap them in foil. And on foil, there's a dull side and a shiny side. You always want to put your meat on the dull side. The reason that is, it has a non-stick surface, so it will not stick to the meat. So we'll let this go for an hour. And after an hour's up, we'll take them off, unwrap them, let them cook on the grill for an hour, and then we'll sauce them. Okay, the rib is cooked in the foil for an hour, and this is the last part of the process. We're going to put it on the grill for 1 more hour at 225. All right, we're at the last step of the process. What we're going to do is we're going to sauce the ribs. The rule of thumb is you always want to sauce the back side of the ribs first, and we've already done that. You want to sauce it, let it sit for 15 minutes so the sauce settles in, and flip it over to the top side, and that's what we're going to do right now. What we're going to do now, we're going to close the lid and let it go for 15 minutes so the sauce adheres to the meat, and then we'll be ready to slice. All right, after 4 hours doing the 2-1-1 method, we're finally here. What we're going to do is we're going to cut the ribs, and what we're going to do is a Hollywood cut. And I'll demonstrate how to do that. And what you get is, what a Hollywood cut is, you get the meat on both sides of the bone.